Good morning and welcome to the first day of the ski season 2022-2023. We are pumped to be back skiing, or even have the option of skiing, getting back up to the mountains and having something fun to do on the weekends. Today we are going to a-basin for opening day of the ski season here in Colorado. It is October 23rd, and a-basin is the first resort to open in Colorado. Sometimes they are the first to open in the country, but this year they got beat out by the Midwest because the Midwest had a bunch of cold temps. They could blow a bunch of snow. Nonetheless, they crushed it and beat all the other resorts up there near Summit County. And we're headed up. Should be interesting. Typically it is what is called a white ribbon of death, which sounds very intimidating and can be, I guess. But it's where they concentrate blown snow onto one run, and if you go off that run, you're straight in the dirt, in the trees and rocks. So we'll see if that's the case this year. Should be cool. We're gonna check it out and bring you along, give you a report on the conditions, the crowds, and the overall vibe. Status report.
My feet hurt really bad, but the stoke is high.
High. She's claiming high stoke. Stoke meter needle snapped off an hour ago. Necessary water break. Mid blizzard, full blown blizzard. Can't tell me otherwise. We're barely able to see.
It's dangerous, actually.
Yeah. Visibility, I'd say barely
10
over
feet.
2 miles. Barely over 2 miles. Anyways, harrowing conditions. White ribbon of death is an accurate description. Started out nice and has since been scraped off by the hundreds of people, and there are ice rinks, hidden ice rinks. It's like camouflage. They look the same exact as the snow, and you get on them and you better hope to God you've got some reaction skills, because you might go down, and nobody wants that. But
no beginner terrain, they mean it.
yeah, no beginner terrain, that's true. We are done with day one of the season. Both of our feet are
I've seen better days.
Pounding. They're hurting, in pain, whatever you want to call it. Ski boots are rough, definitely envious of snowboarders for that. But anyways, it was a blast. Conditions honestly were better than I thought. I hit maybe a few small rocks,
I hit branches.
Nothing much. Yeah, Rachel hit some branches and some shrubbery, I guess. But
My own fault.
there's some patches of ice. But the run they have is a pretty thick layer, I think. I mean, I'd say at least 6 to 8 inches thick all the way down. High-speed quad. It's about a 5-minute lap with probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes in line, I'd say, every time. So it's about ski a third of the time, wait in line 2/3 of the time. I'm sure if you come up in the afternoon, closer to end of the day, the line would thin out, but the run would be pretty blown out. So either way, super hyped that it's snowing, super hyped to have day 1 of the books. Looking forward to the season more than ever now. So with that, we will see you guys in the next video.